Well, what do you know? We're back with another episode of the art challenge, the wheel spinning. I don't know what the name of it is, but we're gonna do it again. So let's do this. All right, what's the first one? Let's see. Come on, give me something good. Something good. The Weeknd. All right. Okay, the Weeknd. But should I do the new Weeknd or the? We'll do the new Weeknd. All right, the new Weeknd and. Oh God, this is gonna be weird. And not Dora the Explorer. No, not again. No. Oh my God, is that? No, we're not doing that again. We've done that. Something other than Dora. Dora just wants attention. Okay. Oh my God, Five Nights at Freddy's. The Weeknd and Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay. All right. Let's try it. All right. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do Freddy's head, right, and then the Weeknd's body with his red suit that he's been wearing all over the place nowadays, with blinding lights and everything. So I think we're gonna do like that. And by the way, the guy that suggested Five Nights at Freddy's, his name was SYKK Society. I forgot to put that on the wheel, but that was him. Yeah, that was not one of mine. So all the ones with a name on them, those are something that somebody else came up with. By the way, if you have any other suggestions, leave them down in the comments. Doesn't matter if it's already on the board or not. That's fine. Like, you guys don't know what's on the board. I don't expect you to pause it and then look at everything on the board. If it's on the board, then that's fine. I'll just tell you. But yeah. So say some stuff. Say some random stuff. Does not have to be cartoon characters or anything. I mean, obviously we're doing the Weeknd right now. All right. I think I like it. I think it looks good. I'm enjoying it. Something I do not like is I really wanted to do his mustache. But obviously I can't do that because we got this big sausage snout right here. So I was trying to have a thing like this, but it just does not. It doesn't look right. I can't do the mustache. I'm gonna have to do just a funny one that clearly isn't a mustache, right here. And then that doesn't make sense. But I mean, it's kind of funny though. Should I do that? Should I have because he has a handlebar mustache now, right? So should I that looks so dumb. I'm not doing that. That's dumb. We're just gonna leave it, I guess. I guess there's no mustache, which is a bummer because that mustache is glorious. All right, so we're looking pretty good. I added a couple of details here that I didn't have, these cracks, because I feel like they just look good, so I decided to do that, because the suit's pretty plain. I mean, it's just a red suit, you know what I mean? And I really wanted it to be more than just that, even though I want it to just be the red suit, because the red suit is so iconic, from the Weeknd. So I'm kind of just adding a little bit of those details I can get away with, just little spider-looking cracks, I suppose, throughout here and there. I really enjoyed that. But now I gotta move on. I don't like this area, so I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna do like this and redo this because I really don't like how round this is. It looks weird. It needs to be more squarish than that. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do a cross like this, and then I'll just cut out a space for the nose. But yeah, this is coming together pretty well. This one's taking a little bit longer than I thought it would, but that's because I don't know what's up with me today. I guess I'm just kind of off. My lines are kind of weird, so I'm kind of having to go and do them over again. Plus, I'm trying to make it look more rough, and trying to make it look more rough is messing up me just making it rough without thinking about it. You know what I mean? So if I wasn't thinking about trying to make it rough, it'd be going smoother. It'd be going smoother. Anyway, but yeah, so I'll check back in once I have this down to a degree where I like where it's at. Alright guys, so I'm in a pretty good place right now. I'm pretty sure after I finish the eyes, we're just going to move on to color, because, I mean, I've been spending way too much time on this line art, like I said. Just changing things and then redoing things. But I'm happy with the snout, whatever you want to call it, the mouth, I guess, as it were. I'm happy with that now. I changed the way it looks a little bit. I'm pretty happy with the way this is looking. I got a couple issues with it, but we're gonna go ahead and power through, and if I really don't like something, we'll change it at the end. It's just, I'm not having one of those days, you know? So I guess this is kind of inspiration for people that are like, my art is trash, I can't draw. Like, I'm having one of those days where that's what I'm feeling like. Plus, like I said, the rougher style that I'm trying to kind of force when I'm not in that mindset is not really helping as well. I really like the way the suit looks. Kind of starts falling apart at the, really just the jaw. I mean, like, it's better than it was, but I just don't like it. It just looks weird to me for some reason, but we're just going to move on, because I cannot keep spending time on something that, nothing really wrong with it, just don't really like the way that it looks. That's just how I am as an artist. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do this, and just that real quick, and I'm just gonna use this, I'm gonna duplicate this because I do not want to do that twice, plus I want them to look exactly the same. So we're gonna color that in, and we're gonna get a second circle with a different layer, and then we're gonna go boop like that, and then now that that's gonna be the color of part of the eye, that needs to be, there we go. All right, and then we're just gonna duplicate this, right click, duplicate, and then we'll just move it on over. There we go. Make it a little bit smaller. There we go. All right. Looks good. I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and merge all of this down with Control E. Control E, Control E. Maybe make sure you did not merge the sketch layer, which we did not. Good. There we go. All right, cool. We can hide that. All right, this looks good. I really like this. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and paint. Fill in the, nope, that's not what I wanted to do. We're gonna fill in the eyes like that. There we go. And we're gonna fill in the hair. And yeah, this is looking like the Weeknd Five Nights at Freddy's, if you ask me. I like it. The teeth are kind of thin. I went for a more stylized look with the teeth, obviously. And because I really hate myself right now, I have once again changed the mouth, but that's alright because I really enjoy the mouth this time. So we're gonna go ahead and do like this. As you can see, I've gotten rid of all of the teeth lines, and we're gonna do a stylized kind of look where it's one big tooth, except for in the middle it splits because, you know, Freddy has that very famous gap in his teeth. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this in with black like that, and I like that. There we go. This side also needs to be cut out as well, and yeah, this side too. So yeah, very heavily stylized, not super heavily stylized, I suppose, just stylized. Stylized teeth and mouth, which I think looks good. Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. Do I want to like maybe do something like that? Oh yeah, I do, but on the top. Alright, cool. So, like I said, we're going to be moving on to color in a second here. Now, with the color, I do want to do some gradients today. But yeah, so I'll get some color done, and then I'll be back, because we're kind of running out of time here. And I think that's good. Alright, cool. So, then this pocket is also the same color red. Alright, so basically what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to mimic the look of some kind of blinds, I guess, you know, for blinding lights, I suppose. And there's like spaces where light is peeking through something, which I think looks really cool. And I'm just going ahead and outlining, erasing some of the shading that I put on our character here, so it looks as if there's some light catching the edges of the said character. But yeah, so I really like this idea. This looks really cool to me so far, so I'm gonna keep on going. Okay, that is it for the Weeknd and Five Nights at Freddy's. I really enjoy this. This looks really good. I really like the blinding lights up here. It's not really supposed to be a halo, but it kind of looks like a halo. I can see a halo. Okay, anyway, that is the wrong artist. We're gonna go ahead and end this one off here. We are way out of time at this point, but yeah. Hope you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.